SmartBP is a technology consulting company that develops optimization solutions. Who is Smurfit Kappa? Smurfit Kappa is a multinational producer of corrugated cardboard and packaging with integrated operations ranging from farming trees to producing the packaging. The main goal that Smurfit Kappa had was to be able to create long-term, 50-year strategic plans that allow them to make decisions at the tree lot level and about the hectares to buy and at which region and elevation. They want to know when to harvest and what to plant on each lot. Smurfit Kappa wanted to modernize their decision-making process. For that, they chose ILOG CPLEX. SmartBP developed a custom optimization model based on the needs of Smurfit Kappa's forestry planning group. The result is a tool that makes forestry planning easier while also providing better, feasible solutions. What they are looking for in the end is to be able to make financial decisions about the need to expand the acreage under management in order to ensure the harvests yield the right quantity and mix of pulpwood. In this area, management wanted a solution that would allow it to make an economic evaluation of different strategies under different assumptions in order to achieve higher profitability and a higher net present value of the operations. This model allows them to make better decisions today, understand the information presented, and to relay this information to management. Today, they have been using SmartBP's solution for more than 1 year.